This app is a very good place to sell your gift card. Let me show you the offers that they have. So before we go on, use the code on the screen to download the app on the Google Play Store. The app is called Angel Gift Card. So you can swap your gift card to Naira, whether it's Apple gift card, Steam gift card, Gold Razor, Sephora, Foot Locker, PayPal, Venmo, Google, Amazon, Cash App. You can swap it, okay, to Naira. You can sell to Naira. So let's look at the daily rates today. So for Apple, they are selling between 100 to 1,000 at 1,224 Naira. Chime, 1,224 Naira. Steam, 1,215. Cash App, 1162. Xbox, Newsoft, Gold Razor, Venmo, CVS Pharmacy, Dollar General. Anyway, the point is trade your gift card on Angel Gift Card. They are very reliable. Use the code you can see on the screen. And if you would like me to assist you, send me a DM. For a fee, it's not free. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.